This Nintendo is giving me the green screen of death. I love these game consoles, so I'm going to fix it. The culprit is usually this sucker, called the RF module. First I removed the solder, so I can now remove the RF module. Now I'm going to replace this large capacitor and the inductor here on the side. The RF module is refurbished. Let's test it. It works, so now we'll put it back together and give it a final test. Let's throw in Ninja Gaiden for the final test. As you can see, this is now a working Nintendo.